Okay, so here I immediately see very easy wet center. So I can do 3 moves for my last 2 outer bars because the middle bar is already made. And I will pair them up in the back with a D, F, R white. So I have both centers made, both lines made. So when I insert like this, I see here that this 2-1 will come down to this 2-1. So while inserting the red bar into the bottom, I do U prime first to preserve the 2x2. And I just need to pair up another 2x1 like this and put it in. And then I pair up my last orange pieces like this. Now I see green, I can make a T with this and this constant piece like this. And then put in this edge piece. Now I just finish off my last green bar like this. And before I insert, I look at the bottom. I see that I have a 2x1 here. So when inserting green into the bag, I do U prime first so that this this 2x1 block for yellow comes down into this 2x2 block. Okay, so here I have a bar, so I preserve this like this because I can use this later and pair up my last yellow edge pieces like this, and then I just put in the bar that was already made. So here, I think the best solution for this case is to do 2x2 block first and then put in the last 2x1 blocks at a time instead of like this, doing a 2x3 block on blue immediately like this. But I think it's better to just, because after that you would have to do an M prime to M again, which is a lot of M moves, so I just put in like this. And here I see 2 pieces of blue and orange paired up, so I preserve it like this and see that there are other blue and orange pieces here. So insert this into the back white like this, pair them up, and have orange and yellow next. And then I have blue and yellow next. And then I have orange and green, but because here's another blue and white piece, to pair them up, I will do a U2, U white 2 prime and 3 white 2, like this. So both are paired up. And then I just flip and pair up the last edges. So here I think I'll do blue and white first, because this also puts in green and white, the correct orientation for this piece. So I do this and put it into the bottom. And then I just pair up my last green and white piece like this, and have green and orange right here. And then I do green and red, and afterwards green and yellow, like this. So if you flip this edge with this one in the back, with this in the front, this also gets flipped. So you have a standard size splice case, like you know it in like last 2 edges or so. But because it's size splice, one piece needs to get flipped anyway, so it doesn't matter how you hold it. You can hold like this. So I flip and put it in like this, and then flip this one like the outer rings. And here I see that yellow and red will be solved when slicing back. So I make sure to look at for the edge afterwards, which is in this case blue and red, because as you can see here, when sliced back I have just a middle piece that needs to get connected like this, and I'm left with my last edge case. I know this arc is not that good, but it's what I use, and I actually learned the other arc, but I don't use it, I don't know why. And then I adjust my course. You should look at your course while doing the last edge algorithm. It's just better for a look at. And oops. here my 30 stage.